Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Cheryl. Welcome back with another video. And right now, me and my friend Steer are going to explain the multiverse.
Or at least attempt to.
Attempt to in each of our different ways. So my way of explaining the multiverse is I believe that the multiverse. Hold on. Okay, the multiverse is my version of the multiverse, for example, is kind of like how Earth is a planet, and we live in the Milky Way galaxy. And there are plenty of different other planets in our galaxy, including like Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, all those planets. And I believe that our universe is just like a planet. And there's other universes in the planets. It's getting confusing, but like the universe is a ball, kind of like how Earth is a ball. And the universe is in another galaxy, sort of. You probably wouldn't call it a galaxy, but our universe is in another galaxy, and there are a whole bunch of other universes with it. So, like, for example, hold on.
So, to sum it up, you're saying that the multiverse is a physical thing. It is an actual measurement of, like, reality.
Yeah, so let's say that this is a circle right here, because this is a circle. So, this is our universe right here, putting it right there.
And then somewhere like
is another universe.
Here-ish is Earth.
Somewhere in there. This is a big universe though. And then here is another universe. Let's pretend that this is a circle too. And this is right here. And these two universes are in a bigger universe. And then
Trey.
Even the universe that these two are in is just another one of these. So it keeps like going forever and ever with things like this. Like there'll be one right here, 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 like planets. And they'd be inside of a bigger universe. In that bigger universe, there'd be one right here, one right here, one right here, one right here. And then those would be in a bigger universe. And it goes on infinitely.
So basically my job is to prove what I'm saying is true so that he sounds stupid. So my idea is that if you think of the Big Bang as a literal explosion, a bomb does not explode in so-called two dimensions, just this way, oh wait, that's off camera, this way and that way. It explodes up as well. So if you think of the Big Bang as that bomb, our universe is this way, but then everything that reflects off of the universe, off of different variables of what happens, like it's an extra layer, it's an extra direction, however you want to call it. I would call it a direction, like Big Bang, like this is the one dimension before the Big Bang, which is probably going to be discussed later, my theory about that. And then it explodes outwards, every direction, every 360 degrees, down to like an infinite amount of decimals. All of that is just a different universe where one thing different happened. Actually, I really wanted to say this. Just pick something random. Anything in this world.
Blue elephant.
A blue elephant.
Yes.
Is that actually a thing?
I don't know.
I'm just going to take elephant and then blue later. So imagine a universe where there was a pigment in the elephant's skin, just like chlorophyll in plants, that made them blue. And then there was another one where it actually was chlorophyll, where elephants could photosynthesize, and they're green.
That would be weird.
And that's just the elephant. And if you imagine all the different colors, all the different shades, all the different patterns, like zebras have stripes. Why can't elephants have spots? Like, why can't they have, like, camouflage? Why can't they evolve that way?
Because of evolution.
But the process of natural selection, that can change. That changes with every universe. And that's one thing. That's one animal. It could be one elephant. It could be one family of elephants multiplied by all those variables. And like, it's honestly, that's just the best way you can think about it. Just pick something in your life and then just imagine all the ways it can change. Like the last time I was at his house, I was here, we stayed up late talking about what we would look like if every single thing about us was completely reversed.
So like, for example, I'll give an example. So I was a girl. I was a
Because
white
it's
girl,
currently a boy.
and he was a
I was a
dark
mix
skin.
because
yeah,
like
yeah. I guess
if
what's
there's
the
if
opposite
there's
of
white,
mix?
mixed, and then dark skinned,
You
like
just still-
the
would you stay
second the
mixed?
second variable would stay the same.
Yeah, so
So
you'd still
I'm
be mixed. You'd be a mixed girl with blonde hair.
Yeah, blue eyes.
Yeah, and we'd both be really dumb and stuff like that. So you guys get the point.
I would be wearing like a blue,
dark blue
Russia shirt,
shirt or North Korea shirt.
North Korea shirt.
I'd be wearing a. What is the opposite of a puma?
Like a cougar.
A cougar is the opposite of a puma. Would it be a dog? Would it be a wolf?
It would be it would be like a wolf.
So I'm wearing a black wolf shirt.
Yeah. No, it would just be a regular dog because if you think big cat,
yeah, it'd be a
small dog.
It would be a very small dog.
It would be like
a very
a
tiny
chihuahua.
dog. And yeah, so you guys get the point. Now, so your theory of the multiverse is that everything can happen. So like, for instance, this mouse right here, it's a hard way to get an angle on it.
Yeah.
But this mouse right
This
here
amazing
would be
Logitech mouse.
It would be white.
That mine is better than.
It's really not. He has a red dragon. Oh well, he thinks that his mouse is better than mine, but you know, I just
Red Dragon M909.
It's
Check them
not.
out. It's crazy good.
Okay, whatever. But anyways, so you're saying that basically there's a universe right now where I'm wearing a blue or black shirt.
Yeah.
You're wearing a blue shirt and okay.
Like everything is different.
I can't disagree with that because my brain can't possibly.
Yeah, you can never imagine.
And so I guess I'm just gonna call this video "Weird Thoughts with," or two 12-year-old boys fantasize about the universe, even though you're not 12, you're 13, for clickbait purposes. I guess we can call this video two 12-year-olds fantasize against or about random thoughts. So a random thought that I've had is, what are other galaxies like? Is everything in the universe made out of matter?
Yes, matter, energy.
But the thing is, that's only as far as we know on Earth. We've never been outside of this galaxy. And so what I think of is whenever I think of another galaxy, what could, whatever, we can't possibly fathom what could happen in those other universes or galaxies. Like, in another galaxy, I may be able to phase through a table or the camera.
Because technically, it's possible. Like, if you, so the Flash has like he vibrates his hand, goes through materials that has basis in fact.
Yeah.
My voice got really badly right there. So let's just say I know you guys can't see it. This wall right next to me, it's vibrating at 357.9 megahertz. My hand is vibrating at 412.2 megahertz. I'm literally just throwing random numbers out here. And if my hand vibrated at the 357.9, we would be the same material. It would be the same material. And therefore, I would either get stuck
Or go through. Yeah.
That's another thing we could talk about. Like, does solid matter, do the molecules move? Like, do they change place? I know they vibrate.
Yeah, but would they
like,
exchange?
Yeah, would they like change places?
Wall? That'd be interesting, and we'd never be able to know.
That would be crazy.
And another thing is, do atoms really exist in other galaxies? Because as far as we know on Earth, because all we really know is on Earth and the Moon and this universe. But
I don't know.
Do atoms really exist in other galaxies? And if they don't, what does exist?
So,
because we know nothing but atoms.
Okay. So first of all, back a little bit earlier to what I was saying. Imagine a microscopic galaxy where every unit of measurement is just shifted down one. So instead of an atom, it's a quark or a lepton. I forgot what the third one is. Instead of a molecule, it's an atom. Instead of a... Oh my gosh, I've got to get used to this. Instead of a hand, it's a finger. Instead of a finger, it's a nail.
He has long nails. He plays guitar and stuff, and instruments.
2 very long nails.
Instead of... Yeah, I get what you're saying. So like instead of...
and that combined with every other variable that you can possibly think of, like, that's just multiplying it by 2.
Yeah.
It's crazy. And there is real basis in what he's saying because I've never thought about it. Like, of all the crazy stuff I've thought about, I've never thought about another universe where atoms just don't exist. We know atoms as structures of protons, neutrons, and electrons.
And the building blocks of life. But
yeah,
in other galaxies, what would replace atoms? What is there to replace atoms?
A material that we don't even know about, right?
A material that we can't even think about.
I mean, it could be atoms. Like, it could be completely reversed. Like, to be honest, the human race could be, like, it could all be the exact same, except, like, let's say in calling dirt, we call it atoms, and we call atoms dirt. Like, everything would be made out of dirt. But here on this world, dirt means brown material that comes from the ground.
Yeah.
But in that other world, dirt is what makes up everything.
Yeah.
And, like, this is the really crazy part, because we're talking about massive, like, quantum physics, crazy stuff. But somehow, we got under the rules of, like, grammar of speech. Because if dirt makes up everything, dirt here, like, that's crazy.
And, so yeah, life on other galaxies and atoms and science on other galaxies, I guess is a better term for it.
I mean, science may not even exist. People could fly.
Flying may not even be a thing. Walking may not be a thing. There may be no neutral state. There could be no non-neutral state.
You may not even, like, have arms.
You may not have
legs,
anything.
like,
you may not be in existence.
We probably aren't.
It's true. Like, you may not even be in existence.
Oh, this is something crazy. So, imagine another world where you are you, and you carry your name, but you look different. Like, you look the opposite of who you are, like we were talking about, or you look like something else. Like, let's just change one thing. I have blonde hair. And, like, another universe. I'm not getting it dyed blonde. That would look so bad, actually.
That would look really bad on you.
But would I really be steered? I would carry my name, but because of the difference, like, one, in how my atoms are arranged, two, and, like, just my hair color, would I actually be me? So the theory of replacing someone with themselves from another universe is completely debunked. Yeah. Like, they're not the same person. Like, they're, like, even on this earth, they're, like, about 8 billion people. There has to be someone else that looks like him.
There's definitely
probably someone that looks like me.
Somebody that has the same name as me. I know a few people that have the same name as me.
I have a pretty unique name, but someone out there probably at least has my first and last.
Well, maybe not.
Well,
see, Steer's name is... I'm not going to say his last name.
Because my name is so rare, I'm not actually allowed to say it because of internet safety.
Even though we have said it on the internet before, but we took down that video.
Yeah, that's true.
But, yeah... my name is Trace One, and there's somebody else that's named Trace One. It's really annoying because if you look on YouTube and look up Trace One,
I know that British looking guy pops up. It was hilarious.
If you're watching this video, dude, can you please just go off YouTube?
No, we're not, because you can get striked for that. This video can get striked.
Okay, no, stay on YouTube. I'm sorry, stay on YouTube. Don't give him hate if this video blows up. But yeah, that's basically all of my out of this world thoughts. Do you have any more?
I'll bet you anything we can come up with more, but not off of the top of my head right now.
Alright guys, so you heard it here. Those are Trey and Steer's out of this galaxy.
Out of this universe
thoughts. Fantasizing about the universe with Trey and Steer. It's probably what we'll call
Part 1. Literally part 1. We have a lot more.
And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
I do not currently have content on my YouTube channel, but whenever I get the gear to start making content, go ahead and subscribe to that.
I'll link his channel down below whenever
I get content.
Yeah, whenever he gets content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.